In its pursuit of globalization and sustainable development, Hisense assesses its production and operational impact on natural and society, actively fulfilling its social responsibilities by maintaining higher corporate governance standards. Hisense built its business for the greater good by adopting a long-term physiological ESG approach. Green development is a core Hisense principle. We consistently reduce carbon emissions across product life cycles and actively support carbon peak and neutrality goals for modern green technology. Hisense laser TV cuts energy usage by over 50% compared to traditional TVs. With a 92% recyclable rate of component, it received the first enterprise carbon label certificate in China and Germany, and the Carbon Neutrality Pioneer Award in 2023. In addition to establishing a national green factory, Hisense unveiled the Jiangmen Industrial Park, the first zero-carbon factory in the domestic TV industry. This year, Hisense Air Conditioning earned the first 3-star carbon label product certification in China's air conditioning industry. We are advancing the green manufacturing system of a whole industry chain and the full life cycle for home appliances. Through comprehensive green production practices, our Rongshan refrigerator was named in the Carbon Roadrunner 2023 Sustainability Industry Report. Since 2015, Hisense manufacturing system has cut comprehensive energy consumption per product by over 60%. Our smart transportation system is designed to continuously optimize space and time resources, effectively reducing parking time, enhancing road traffic efficiency, and significantly minimizing fuel consumption and carbon emissions. We respect the natural ecology, cooperate with relevant organizations to expand forests in desert areas, and take action to protect local species and rare plants. At home or abroad, we strive to achieve coexistence in harmony between the environment and our place in it. In 2023, Hisense initiated the Green Planet Refresh Plan. This involves research and development in green smart home appliances and efficient supply chain management. ESG represents a higher expectation and requirement in the world of enterprises. Hisense has always assumed its social responsibilities, carrying out public welfare activities in environmental protection, education, medical care, and emergency donations around the world. We acted quickly in response to sudden disasters after heavy rains and floods in China, earthquakes in Turkey, and floods in Slovenia. Hisense paid close attention to the disaster situation, organized local teams to provide free services, and donated materials to actively relieve the disaster. For 15 consecutive years, we have sent warmth and love to the primary schools rebuilt after the Wenchuan earthquake, benefiting more than 200,000 students. We have helped rural children broaden their horizons through the charity summer camp. We have donated millions of medical aid equipment for primary medical care, improved the unequal distribution of resources, and led a more efficient cooperation between East and West in China. Hisense holistically integrates ESG concepts to upgrade its entire corporate strategy, organizational efficiency, and operational management. We've established the Hisense School and Hisense Hospital, along with the comprehensive training and skill improvement system for technical workers, new hires, staff care positions, and the mid-level backbone. This ensures equal development opportunities and learning platforms for employees, encouraged by our own Hisense Equity Incentive System. With an increased sense of responsibility, Hisense is committed to advancing science and technology, business, products, employees, public welfare, and society.